We welcome you to the chemistry laboratory of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Our topic is preparation of Morse salts, that is preparation of potash alum. Materials required are beaker, conical flask, glass rod, tripod stand, funnel, burner, wire gauge, watch glass, filter paper, ferrous sulfate, ammonium sulfate, dilute sulfuric acid, distilled water and china dish. In this procedure, we will weigh 13.0 gram of ferrous sulfate and 6.6 gram of ammonium sulfate separately. We will dissolve them separately in 20 ml of distilled water containing 1 to 2 ml of dilute sulfuric acid in a beaker, and we will stir the solution. Then the solution is filtered with the help of funnel so as to remove impurities. Then the solution is heated in a china dish till crystallization point is reached. Solution is left undisturbed for slow cooling. After 1 hour, crystals of ferrous ammonium sulfate will be observed. Then the crystals will be separated by decantation. These are the precautions. Do not allow the solution to cool rapidly. During crystallization, the solution should not be disturbed. Dry crystals should be kept in airtight containers, otherwise they will be oxidized. Do not forget to add dilute sulfuric acid while dissolving ferrous sulfate.
Hello students, this is practical number 2, that is preparation of Morse salt, that is ferrous ammonium sulfate. We are going to prepare. We have taken ferrous sulfate, 13 gram of ferrous sulfate, and we have taken 6.6 gram of ammonium sulfate. Now 20 milliliter water in each beaker is kept. Now we are making saturated solution of this, and equimolar quantity of ammonium sulfate and ferrous sulfate is taken. Means 1 mole of ammonium sulfate, 1 mole of ferrous sulfate is taken. Now we are making solution. Now we are mixing both the solutions. Okay. So now to remove the soluble impurities present in it, we are filtering this, where the insoluble impurities will be filtered out. We need some water. We have sprinkled this water so that we can fix this in funnel. Now we are filtering this ferrous sulfate solution mixed with ammonium sulfate solution, where the insoluble impurities will be removed out. Now we have to add dilute sulfuric acid in this. Now almost this is filtered. Now this is dilute sulfuric acid. We will add this dilute sulfuric acid to this filter. milliliter each. Now we are adding some dilute sulfuric acid. It will stop hydrolysis of ferrous sulfate. Now we are going to keep this for boiling. So it will take 20 to 25 minutes to boil, and after keeping this for 1 hour, the thick syrup-like substance will be obtained in the china dish, which we will get this thick syrup of double salt, that is more salt, and this is the mother liquor where the impurities will be left. We are taking out the crystals from it. So the fine crystals of ferrous sulfate is found.